Are you interested in a lesser-known method to earn money online? Do you want to learn how to leverage Google Trends to make $12,000 a month like a pro? Here's a quick guide on how to use Google Trends to make extra money daily. First, access Google Trends. Go to trends.google.com. For example, if you have a newsletter focused on current events, you can use the Trending Now section to find the latest popular topics. This section lets you see the most searched phrases and topics over the last day or even the past 24 hours. Search bar. From the home page, enter a keyword or topic idea in the main search bar to explore trends related to your interests. For example, you could start with a keyword like vegan diet to see how popular it is and how it has trended over time. By leveraging these features, Google Trends can help you stay updated with current trends and generate ideas for your content, products, or marketing strategies. Exploring the best ways to make money with Google Trends. 1. Monetizing event-based blogs with Google Trends. Did you know you can leverage Google Trends to profit from event blogging? Thousands of bloggers and affiliate marketers use this tool to generate quick online income. 2. Earning money with Google Trends through product reviews. Creating a product review site is a great way to leverage Google Trends for making money. Whether you operate a product review site, a comparison site, or a general affiliate website, you can use Google Trends to identify the most popular products to promote and review for maximum profit. 3. Using Google Trends for YouTube monetization. Here are some interesting facts which can help with finding popular topics for your YouTube channel using Google Trends. People watch over 1 billion hours of YouTube videos daily, surpassing Netflix and Facebook combined. YouTube has over 2.7 billion active users worldwide. Clearly, YouTube is a platform you shouldn't ignore. It even provides users with trending videos for specific regions every 24 hours. Here's how. Identify trending topics. Use Google Trends to find hot and trending topics. Create and upload videos. Make engaging videos on these topics, ensuring you include catchy titles, descriptions, and eye-catching thumbnails. Monetize your content. Use AdSense ads, sponsored ads, collaborations, etc. to monetize your videos. The key to going viral on YouTube is to use Google Trends to find interesting topics, create buzzworthy videos, and effectively monetize your content. 4. Boosting traffic to news sites with Google Trends. Launching a news site is a popular strategy for generating search traffic, as it allows for content creation on a wide range of topics without needing to be an industry expert. You can cover anything from news and technology to pop culture. By using Google Trends, you can write about the latest topics and viral news, driving a significant amount of traffic to your site from search engines like Google. Here are some ways to monetize a news site. AdSense. Infolinks. Media.net. Selling ad space. Publishing reviews. Promoting other products. Selling sponsorships. Hiring a team to create content on trending topics can help you attract and retain a large audience, increasing your potential earnings through these monetization methods. 5. Use Google Trends for topic clustering. Google Trends can simplify your topic cluster strategy by providing topics rather than just search terms when you search for a term. It also lists related topics, giving you insight into how Google News builds relationships between topics through real-time search trends reports. To expand further, once you select a term, you can choose a category. Although these categories refine your search query, you can remove the search term after selecting a category to see queries and topics related to that high-level category. 6. Using Google Trends for product innovation. If you're seeking insights into the latest trends in colors, materials, or styles for your product development, Google Trends can be invaluable. Start by exploring a broad topic. Utilize the Related Queries filter, focusing on rising trends, to uncover emerging colors, materials, or other innovative aspects gaining traction. These trends indicate the level of increased interest within a specific time frame. Additionally, queries marked with breakouts signify a remarkable surge, often exceeding a 5,000% increase from the previous period. 7. Using Google Trends for e-commerce. Google Trends is a valuable tool for e-commerce businesses, providing insights that can significantly impact your strategy and profitability. Product viability and demand. Use Google Trends data to gauge the viability of your products or business ideas. Identify which products are currently in high demand, which is particularly useful for dropshipping businesses. Seasonal planning. Monitor trends to understand when interest in your products peaks or dips throughout the year. Plan your marketing campaigns strategically, such as offering discounts, referral programs, or holiday deals during peak demand seasons. Product comparison. Compare multiple products to determine which one has more consistent demand. This helps in deciding which product to prioritize or launch first. Geographic insights. Utilize geographic data to identify regions where your business idea has higher demand. Target your advertising campaigns more effectively over time to reach potential customers in those regions. Timing campaigns. Align your content and keyword planning with seasonal trends. Plan ahead for major shopping events like Black Friday and Cyber Monday by publishing relevant content well in advance to capture maximum online traffic and sales. By leveraging Google Trends effectively, e-commerce businesses can optimize their product offerings, marketing strategies, and timing to capitalize on market trends and maximize sales opportunities. Quick tips for making money with Google Trends. Simple as 1, 2, 3. By following these 3 easy steps, you can generate income without any investment. Step 1. Pick a trend and write an article. Browse trends. Go to the Google Trends homepage and explore the hottest topics. Choose a relevant topic. Pick a trending topic that suits your expertise. For example, if you're a tech writer, choose something like Apple iPhone launch over economic crisis in the US. Research and write. Thoroughly research the chosen topic and write engaging, helpful content. Step 2. Set up a simple Google blog with AdSense. Create a blog. Set up a free blog on Google Blogspot. Design and publish. Choose a suitable theme, design your blog, and publish your article. Ensure the font is readable and the content is clear. Step 3. Promote your blog. Learn SEO basics. Understand and implement SEO techniques like keyword research, optimization, and link building. Use social media. Promote your blog on Twitter, Facebook, Quora, and Pinterest. Drive traffic. Focus on driving traffic to your blog, as it is crucial for generating income. By following these steps, you can effectively use Google Trends to create popular content and monetize your efforts through AdSense and other methods. Top 5 Google Trends alternatives. While Google Trends is a useful free tool for tracking topic popularity, it lacks in-depth data for marketers. Here are 5 alternatives that offer more comprehensive insights for analyzing websites or topics. 1. SEMrush. SEMrush is a powerful SEO toolkit used by over 10 million people globally. It provides features such as keyword research, site audits, and competitor analysis. Pricing packages. Prices range from $130 to $500. Features. Keyword research. Position tracking. Organic research. Backlink research. Site audits. Social media monitoring. Brand monitoring. 2. Keyword generator, RFs. RF's keyword generator helps generate hundreds of keyword ideas for platforms like Google, Bing, YouTube, and Amazon. It has a database of over 8 billion queries and provides keyword data, including search volumes and difficulty scores. Pricing options. Prices range from $99 to $900 per month. Features. Site Explorer. Keywords Explorer. Site Audit. Batch Analysis. Domain Comparison. Link Intersect. Rank Tracker. 3. SERPstat. SERPstat is an affordable SEO toolkit that includes features like topic research, backlink analysis, and competitor research. Pricing plans. Ranges from $49 to $450. Features. Keyword research. Competitor research. Rank tracking. On-page site audit. Backlink analysis. Search analytics. 4. Moz Pro. Moz Pro is a well-known SEO toolkit offering content optimization, keyword research, site crawling, and more. Pricing starts at $99. Features: Link Explorer, Keyword Explorer, Moz Local, Rank Tracking, Site Audits, SEO Reporting. 5. Answer the Public. Answer the Public uses searches from Google and Bing to provide topic or keyword ideas in a visual format. Pricing options: free or $99 for the Pro version per month. Features: unlimited daily searches. Add unlimited users with a single account. High-resolution images for every search. Export keyword data in CSV format. Priority customer support. Monitor and adapt with Google Trends. To stay ahead, set up custom alerts and notifications on Google Trends. These tools help monitor changes in search interest for specific terms and keep you informed about new trends in your industry. Adjust your content strategy accordingly to ensure your content remains fresh and relevant. Google Trends isn't just for generating ideas or identifying popular topics. It offers valuable insights into audience behavior, regional variations, and long-term trends. By staying updated with the latest search patterns and adapting your content strategy, you can maintain competitiveness and create content that continues to engage your audience effectively. And that's a wrap on our deep dive into Google Trends. From tracking the latest trends to uncovering valuable insights for your content, products, or marketing strategies. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more tips on Google Trends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.